Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a frame at home with cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a ruler, a pencil, a craft knife, and some strong glue. Begin by measuring your photo or artwork precisely. This measurement will be crucial for the inner opening of your frame. Then, cut 2 pieces of cardboard to your desired outer frame dimensions, ensuring they are identical in size. This initial step sets the foundation for a perfect homemade frame. Now let's get to cutting. On one of your cardboard pieces, which will be the front, carefully mark the inner rectangle for your photo opening. Use your ruler and pencil to ensure straight lines and accurate measurements. Then, with your craft knife, slowly and precisely cut out this inner rectangle. This creates the window for your picture. Next, cut 4 strips of cardboard. These will form the side walls of your frame, adding depth and stability to your project. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Apply a strong adhesive to the edges of your 4 side strips. Carefully glue these strips around the inner opening of your front cardboard piece, creating a raised border. Make sure they are flush and form a neat rectangle. Next, apply glue to the top edges of these side strips and attach the second, solid cardboard piece, which is your frame's back. Remember to leave one side unglued for inserting your photo later. Press firmly for a secure bond. Finally, let's add those finishing touches. Once the glue is completely dry, you can personalize your frame. Paint it, cover it with decorative paper, or add embellishments like beads or fabric to match your decor. When you're happy with the look, slide your photo into the opening you left. Then, you can seal that final side with glue or tape. Your custom cardboard frame is now ready to display your cherished memories. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.